Your man Al Bundy.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
what's his name? Yeah.
He'll always be Al. His name's Jay in this,
Yeah.
but he'll always be. Ooh, a bit glitchy there, lads. From this off.
It's the pig.
Is it? I've had fucking bad runs with that tart
Hi,
lately.
little piggy.
There, she's in the middle, heading towards the shack.
I'm at the shack.
Right. I'm crossing the shack. Oh, there she goes. She's gone around by the hill, the back of the hill.
The back of the hill.
Yeah,
Ah,
at the shack.
I think she's just seen me. Yep, she's just seen me. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running.
Come to me. Come. She's not on you, right? She's not on you. Stop, you sack.
No, there was two of us there though. She did see me.
Come on, back to the Jenny show over here. Come on.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit glitching.
I think Jenny's very fucking close here.
Yeah, no, she's seen the other fella.
Come on, Ryan, let's go. Get on this bad boy and we pop her out. Whoops. Come on.
Don't forget to position yourself on the Jenny.
I was getting a bit of glitching though from the start, lad. So, anybody else getting that?
Yeah.
Oh, I nearly missed my skill check because of it. Huge delay.
Behind Jenny, Ryan just saw when she hooks it.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
She was right fucking over here. She's Lytron, lads. She's Lytron.
Oh, I do have a Jenny gun sound.
Again, yeah, I have a bit of lag on the skill checks, lads.
And she's going towards the middle.
Well, she'll head this way, so Rob, they're in position.
She's at the gun. I'm gonna get your woman. Ah, you're going towards her, you fucking mom.
Yeah, I have a bit of. This is.
She ran straight fucking towards
Ryan, here, look, Jenny here.
Yeah. That one in the middle. We should skip that one. Maybe go with the
She
one
has
in
a
the middle.
Mori.
Has she? Oh bollocks! Look at that one in the middle, Wayne.
I just jumped in on the fucking get her started.
She's mounting through the middle here.
She's at her, Rob.
Is she?
Yeah. Go on, Ryan, go up and start it. Got me started.
Rob and her are having their little dance.
Little dingling.
Little manglinger. Oh, well.
Ah, how was that a hit, you cunt?
Rob free falling out of gaff.
The
Straight
loser.
down to the middle, Rob.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, she's upstairs.
That's the add-ons.
Fuck.
Right, Robbie's hold up there. She's gonna go to where Ryan.
She did.
Fresh.
She's gone after your way, Rob. Yeah, I have delay in this, lads.
Oh, there she is. Okay, Robbie, you cunt. He's in here. Where's the little pig bitch?
Over by me. Over by me.
Okay, I'm getting back to stop. Right, Rob, get out there. Come on. She's gone up past where you
Yeah,
watch
I was
out.
already.
I've
Back in
lost.
the Jenny one, she's miles behind you.
No, she's way ahead of me.
Oh, I can fucking see her. She's gone off by the bleeding crush, I think, or wherever it is.
Actually,
Yes. Second there. Good.
coming again. I got off.
They're off, did you?
She looked be tired. Yeah, no, I have a huge delay. She's at my Jenny.
Yeah. Hey, little piggy.
Hey.
Oh, she coming my way.
Two Jenny's in the middle there.
Yeah, that's the one I was on, Rob.
I'm doing a totem.
Oh, herbly evaded, little pig ass.
Is she?
She's gone back through the middle again.
Okay, fuck it.
She's gone over the other side.
Yeah, I did
Get
a
on
totem
this with
there,
us,
so-
Wayne, will you?
Because I'm afraid he got it.
No, it's the delay. I've got a delay on the thing, man.
Come on. Hey, Piggy! Hey, Miss Piggy! Oh, Piggy, you spicy.
Spice bag, is it?
Oh, she respects the palitos.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck off, you fucking girl! That's ridiculous. Just slow up on pulling that pallet down. Just the attachments. Oh, spicy ding dong was coming in now. Suck in there!
Going through the middle, the pallets, use the pallets.
No, don't. I'm on that. I'm back on that
Fuck
Jenny.
off, Ryan! You got me, Ryan?
She was on your 6 there for a second, but she's pulled off now. You've lost her. She's coming now, Ryan.
I'll stop this from regressing.
She's breaking the pallets.
Any lockers around here? Rob, let me know if she's coming near you.
She was over the opposite side of the
Right.
map.
Back at my Jenny, Wayne.
Right, going up here, so.
She's heading back the way she came.
Yeah, she's going back.
I can hear you, Wayne. I can't
What,
see you.
Is she down? Am I going the right way? So
She's still up here by me.
Do you have Bond on, Wayne?
Bond. I do have Bond on.
Because I thought I heard you a second ago.
Yeah, I was more or less beside you.
Yeah, dude, come in for the hill.
I fucking get this thing on, of course. Ah, ball bag.
Yeah, I have that Jenny ready to pump. I'm gonna do this totem.
Where's that little pig bitch?
Ryan,
Don't
do you know
pass
where she
me
is?
again.
Alright, so I'm gonna head to the shack after this one.
I'm just trying to keep that Jenny from regressing.
Can't see the front.
There, she's over by the shack.
Right, so come on, come on.
Okay, I'm in that one.
Right, she's going to be going for you now.
Ah, fuck off. Ryan, I'm gonna need it. Oh, fuck, I
I've
need to
lost
get-
her. I've lost her. Now she's going for the shack again.
Is she?
Not the shack. She's going for where that Jenny was popped. Over in that corner.
Don't pop anymore, you fucking girls.
Have you got a yoke on?
Yeah. Come on, this has to be it. No, are you fucking shitting me?
She's over my way at the back of the gaff.
Uh,
She seems to have broken off, so probably heading back towards either the middle or back along that side. Heartbeat again, so at the back of the gaff.
Right, Wayne.
right, lad.
Tell me when, because my Jenny's nearly ready to go.
Oh Jesus Christ, I come in.
Right, she's coming back my way. I just got
Right, this
premonition.
is it. This.
Yeah, she's gone back through the middle.
She's back on my Jenny again.
Right, I'm in the locker.
Ah, found me. She found me.
I want to go to you, Jenny, so...
I'm getting that fucking delay when I'm running. I ran onto her.
You fucking used to make it, you fucking tart. Oh my god.
I got a trap on, so don't put. Ah! Oh, you're gonna have to get in and get me because it's on the timers running now, lads. Rob, you're running away.
Around me,
I see her.
Where's that one?
in the middle.
It's in the middle, Rob. Shot to your right hand side.
I'm running in for you, right?
Right, go, go, go.
And only go as fast as the fucking Mia's fucking little limbs can take her. Although she's got bigger ankles. So
Let me
Be
run.
careful as well. She might have a Mori for you as well.
Here she is, right?
Wayne, back at the crusher, car crusher. I'm on a Jenny.
Oh. Right, she's up on the hill. She dropped down, Ryan, you want to be...
I think she's seeing me, Wayne.
I'm a little nerd. Right, Ryan, it's probably going to be a hatch jobby for you.
I just need to get it some distance away from me. so I can.
Ryan, see that one that I went to last where
Yeah.
you were hooked?
I
There
have
was.
to-
Go to that one first.
I have to.
When you
Try.
get a
She's
chance.
heading back towards the big gap one.
So I can't look now, there.
She's back off to it. Left
There,
there.
let's go. Ryan,
Will you stop? I'm trying to get this thing out my head. No, no. I can't stop to heal myself because this is taking away.
Any idea where she went, Ryan?
I just got premonition up ahead.
just head down to your Ryan, just head down.
I've actually
Bob,
no idea where that.
Ah, she knows. She found me.
Got a gate open. Ryan.
There's a door over
She
here.
has chili, she has fucking
She
chili.
hasn't charged. She hasn't picked me up.
Bob, I'm going for the door, I'm going for the door. It's gonna be coming straight for me and anyways. I'd say.
No, she's still over there.
Oh, she's using me as bait, I
Onto the
think,
shack.
lads.
Get yourself healed up, Ryan.
I'm on the door up at the gap, Ryan. Bob, door at the gap.
I can't go out the door anyway, lads. So,
Yeah, no, that's what
and I'm on the timer on this.
Doors open.
She's using me as bait.
Ryan, have a look in the gap over there to see if the basement is in it.
It is, it's not in the shack. I repeat, it is not in the shack.
Did you? So was it in the gap?
Yeah, it has to be in the gap.
Doesn't if it's not in the shack, it doesn't have to be all the way.
The basement.
Check it.
Yeah,
No, I said the.
You didn't, you said basement. Rob.
lads, she's using me as bait.
I'm going to go on the other door, Rob.
Right,
Nick.
crawl away from that. Crawl away from that door. Crawl up to a pallet actually if you
Can't.
can.
She's right here, like. She's using me as.
Yeah, so you
Right,
can
she
crawl
probably
away.
put
Just
some
keep
big
crawling
going when I
away.
do this. Right. That's it.
I'm trying to keep her guessing on which.
You still on
She's
it?
right in front of me, but I'm trying to keep her guessing on which direction I'm going, but she keeps coming back to me.
Right, start crawling towards the shack.
The
so-
shack? I've just.
The pallet on the shack now.
Yeah, it's not a problem. We actually need to fucking find the.
Wait,
we need
wait.
to find the hatch.
Right, that's it.
Gone
No,
after.
no.
Yeah, you wait. I could have gone a bit better, Wayne. Go, Rob, go.
Right.
Let me run. Oh, get me up.
What
You
the
didn't
fuck
get me up.
Yeah. She. What?
Did anybody know where the
Oh,
shack
what?
was? The
Shack is
hatch.
right behind her. No.
I'm beeping now, so.
Right, she sees me, so I'll get you more
Go on,
time.
why not?
Oh no, she didn't. Oh, I'm gonna look around for the hatch, so Ryan.
Because I can't leave with this thing on my head and it's beeping. Oh, I'm at the fucking.
Get on it.
I fucked up the yoke. I'm getting this delay, you see.
Oh, I found a
Where?
hatch, Ryan. Found a hatch. It's on the hill by the shack, right?
Straight ahead, Ryan.
Yeah.
Straight ahead. Rob, get to the door. Get out.
I'm running straight to the door.
Ryan, you're taking fucking shortcuts.
I
there, you
have
don't need
to.
the
She's
pavement.
was up ahead there, Wayne.
Where's the hill? Yeah, but
Where's the way up onto it?
up there. Go round the other. Yeah, just
Closest to the shack. Closest to the shack.
There you go. Up the hill and out.
Oh, thank you, lads. Thank you, lads.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was getting mad glitching in that. Kept missing skill checks and everything and fucking. Oh, it's picked up the bits. Look, how many Mories?